The guy's gonna do another cook this morning. It's gonna having a big blizzard out there today. It's supposed to get 20 inches of snow or some shit like that. But anyway, I'm running a little low on the meat. This is gonna be more of a meat cook. And what I've been doing is I got a lot of vegetable cooks that I have, and I kind of like mix in half and half. Oh, Miss Molly. Good morning, Miss Molly. Oh yeah, you're doing a sniffing action. Huh? You love my cooking. Anyway, this is going to be a meat cook. Basically, I do have vegetables I'm going to throw in there, but like I said, I got a lot of other cooks that are mostly all vegetables, and I like to like mix half and half. So what I got is a nice 6.5, almost 7 pound sirloin there, center cut sirloin. I like the pork, and I got 3 things of tenderloin. And I got 3 things of beef here, which is like 3 pounds a piece. Price is going way up on this shit. And I got a bunch of breakfast sausage. I think I got 4 packets of breakfast sausage. We got a live one here, Mom. We got a live one. And I got some of this linguiça. I don't know, 4 packets. So that's going to be the whole meat thing. What we're going to do is we're going to split it up in these 2 pans. And spread it all out, and we'll just cover it and bake it. And then what we got is carrots, zucchini and summer squash, broccoli and cauliflower. Got some celery, onions and potatoes, green peppers, diced tomatoes, hominy. I like this stuff. And I got a couple of things of plantains. I like them. I'm going to slice them up, throw them in there. Potatoes, garlic, and hot peppers. So let me get this stuff all prepped, and we'll get you set up. Like I said, I like to do these meals, and some of the last one I did was mostly all vegetables, so I kind of like to do like half and half and mix it up, warm it up. And so this is going to be more of a meat cook, roast type of thing. And don't go bad. I put it all in containers when I'm done and freeze it, and then take it out and eat it as I go along, you know. Molly, it's snowing out, Miss Molly. It's snowing outside, Miss Molly. Yeah, you love the snow. Yeah, I know you love the snow. You love going out in the snow. Yeah, you're from Mexico. You love that snow. I know you do. Alright guys, we got it all prepped here. Got all the meat. I cut it all up in little pieces so it'll be easier to cook. I got all the pork and the pork loin. And I got the sausage, breakfast sausage, and linguiça, which is like a Portuguese sausage. And then what do I got here? Green pepper, hominy corn, red potatoes, summer squash, zucchini, carrots, broccoli, cauliflower, onions, celery, and I got these plantains. That's kind of an added feature I'm doing differently. And garlic, hot sauce, and then a couple of things of potatoes. And I'm gonna put all that stuff in these 2 containers, and then we'll add water for juice, and we'll just cover it and bake it. Later on I'll take it all apart, and I'll probably pull all the meat, make it separate, and make a meal out of it. What I do is take like half of this and half of this. This is all meat, this is all vegetables, and I mix it together and make a meal out of it. So that's why I'm doing that one now, because I'm running out of the meat stuff. Well, Miss Molly. Miss Molly. Alright. See if I can do this without killing myself here. This thing's pretty flippin' heavy. So this is all the regular pork. I'm going to do half and half of the regular pork. This is all here. I cut into smaller pieces because it seems to cook easier that way, and it's easier to later on when I take it apart. It's easier for me. We look a flipping roast meal here, Mom. Oh man, Steve is cooking again, y'all. Steve is cooking again, y'all. Yeah, it's looking some yummy there. Next will be the beef. Where's the beef? You guys see that? Oh yeah. Next will be the sausage. Linguiça. Linguiça is not as spicy as chorizo. Chorizo is spicier, but I'm adding spices anyway to it, so I'm not worried about it. I'm putting hot pepper in there. Sorry about that. I'm just gonna spread it out. I like these little breakfast sausages. I like these, so they're really good. I put in there what I like to eat. How's that sound? You make a meal, you put in there what you like. Well, this was basically one container, top and the bottom. I usually use it for my turkey roaster, but it's going to be used as a thing for a roast. I'm running out of meat meal, so. Yeah, that looks good, Mom. Shit, man. Alright, the next thing to do is put some of these tomatoes in there. Might need a bigger boat here, Mama. I'm not sure. I don't know, Mama. Might need a bigger boat. Half. Half. Oh man, looking something good there. Peppers and garlic. A lot of garlic there. The carrots. What I'm going to do is we're going to bake this on 350. Give it a good how you doing. Hominy. Hominy corn. I like that. Onions. Green pepper. Potatoes. And it's mostly going to be you know, I did put some vegetables in here, but it's all going to render down. Zucchini. Summer squash. Gonna be a roast. Broccoli. I think we need a bigger boat here, Mom. Cauliflower. Celery. And then the plantains. It's like a banana. Plantains. I guess it fit. Yeehaw. Next thing to do is we'll put some seasoning on top and give it some water and cover it up and give it the old how you doing. I'll just put it in the oven and bake it for 350 for a while, 3-4 hours or whatever. Salt. I'm going to put some water in here so it's going to pepper. And just give it some water and cover it up and let it rip. Potato chip. Got some of this beef bouillon I could put in there also. What that's going to do is that's going to give it kind of a beef flavor, that beef bouillon. When I add the water to it, give it some juice, make a broth. I'm kind of trying to get the seasoning down in there. Well, it's good. That's about half a gallon on each one. We'll cover them up with some aluminum foil and let it rip. Potato chip. And just set it and forget it. We'll wrap them up, put them in the oven, and let them go. Last meal I did was basically all vegetables, chicken vegetables. So what I usually do is I usually take like half of this, because this is mostly all vegetables. Right? It's mostly, it does have some chicken in it, but it's mostly all vegetables. Then I take my other meal that's basically all meat. It's got vegetables in it also. And I take like half and half, and then I'll mix that together, and that'll make a great meal. And I got a whole bunch of frozen meals like this. I throw them out, and this is mostly all meat. Now it does have some vegetables, just like the one I'm doing now has vegetables in it, but mostly meat. And then this one here is pretty much all vegetables. So that's why I'm doing the one like that. And I kind of like the pork and the beef actually. Molly likes it too. Oh yeah, you always want some of the pork and the beef, Miss Molly. Yeah, you love that stuff. You love my cooking. Yeah, I know you love my cooking. It's snowing outside, Miss Molly. Hey, no butt rubs on the rug. No butt rubs on the rug, Miss Molly. Never mind. So I put it in at 10:30. So that's 3.5 hours. See what we're looking like here. Grab a carrot, see if a carrot's done. Take it out and check it. Spin. Put it in for another hour. Yeah, it's definitely the potatoes. Carrots are cooked. Don't want to overcook it, you know, especially the vegetables. I'm thinking that's going to be good. Oh yeah, mama. Next level. Alright, we're just going to let that cool for a while. So I put it in at 10:30 and it's 3, so that's what, 4.5 hours? Alright guys, so I got all the meat, I pulled it all apart and mixed it all together. So everything's mixed together. And I got all the vegetables here, which is more meat than vegetables. What, you want some? Huh? Let's see, give her a piece of the pork. I should work so. Here. So, what I'm going to do is just put it all in containers, and I got 3 things of juice here. I'll probably put the meat on the bottom, vegetables on the top, and then once I set them all out here, I'll hit them all with juice. This is basically going to be like a meat, you know, a meat meal. It does have the vegetables, but it's mostly meat. Alright, so I got a bunch of meals here, put all the juice in there, and got all the meat on the bottom, basically, 3/4 meat, and the rest is vegetables. Oh. You want a plate? You want a plate? You want some? Oh yeah, we see no tongue action. Yeah, I'll give you some, Miss Molly. Alright, let me just put these covers on here, let this stuff cool. Nice little meals. I can freeze them, you know, and then throw them out, take them out as I need them. They're all ready to come home from work. Boom. Zap it. Ready to go. What is it, Miss Molly? You love my cooking. Oh, yeah, I know that. I know you like my cooking, Miss Molly. Alright, so I got there 3 times 8 is 24 meals. Well, actually, I kind of use like half. Well, I use half of the vegetable meal, so it's like... that would actually make one good meal right there. What, you want some? You want some, Miss Molly? I'll give you some, Miss Molly.